Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to open a demo account on FxPro. So for this, we just log into our account, and then after that we click here on demo accounts. And then right now we can select here create demo account. So we will do that. Then right now he is showing us this FxPro Raw plus demo. So this is fine. Now you can change the platform right here if you want to, but MetaTrader 5 is fine. And then we select here continue with Raw plus demo. Then right now we can select here our currency. Then we can select the leverage, and then we can select here the initial demo balance. Then we want a hedging account, and then now we click on I want to use an external terminal. No, that's not necessary. So we click what I was telling you just on create demo account. And then right now we just created our demo account right here. So this is our demo account, and if you want to trade with this demo account, we click now here on trade. But this is how you can open a demo account on FxPro. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.